Hello people. Simon is coming back to you. Today, I wanted to show you one interesting thing when you use sculpt brush in Cinema 4D. One thing I wanted you to pay attention on when you work with symmetry modifier. Do not use sculpt brush when you work with symmetry or just the brush because they have to fix one problem because my brush considerably slows down. I will show you. You can see that is why I don't turn symmetry on. Today I wanted to publish very important video tutorial about follow option. I will show you in a minute because I like new sculpt brush follow. I will explain to you how to use this and why this is important. Let's get back to sculpt brushes. Also, when you use sculpt brushes, make sure you have polygon deselected. Otherwise, sculpt brush and brush will only work on selected polygons. You have to have polygon deselected. Mesh, brushes, sculpt, you can subdivide, but I go to the brushes. We disconnect window. I hope you see. I am hoping that you see window. This looks too tiny because I'm using 4K monitor. We have got like grab brush. The thing what you want to, I think you can pay attention on one thing. You see, when we only move one single vertex, you can fix that. There's interesting option called in basic we have link size, link strength. In settings we have option like follow. By using Bezier, you can modify this curve. It's barely visible, but it is visible when you select point. You can modify curve. When you modify curve like that, you should be able to move entire points. When you use this follow, when you use option follow, you can smooth it out little bit. You can see I can move entire polygon, but check if you can move at the same time visible only or invisible, because this brush struggles to move invisible polygons. Because even when I selected this, oh, I can check what this option does. Give visual size. No, this doesn't help. Well, I will check if I can use the option called screen. I think you can now move entire points on surface. I will check screen. I think this works in a similar way like Blender's brush. In Blender you have similar option, but this is important when you use the follow option. You can see I can move almost entire polygon. Depending what you want to, how you can adjust follow. We also have this, but I didn't use this because I don't know how, if this changes something or not. What is distance? I will check because I'm interested in how does this option work. Oh no. This actually doesn't improve. It improves nothing. Oh, I think you supposed to increase brush. Actually, this can move entire polygon, depending how depending how you change setting related to follow. I will increase little bit. I have to check if I can move invisible points. I think you had better to use just normal brush when you go to brush because that will move invisible points. The small one. Like, I wouldn't trust sculpt brushes for moving invisible points. I hope you like my video tutorial about option follow. Have a nice day, guys. Actually, evening, because it is now almost 12 o'clock in the evening in the UK.